Hi everyone, how's everyone doing tonight? Tonight we're going to continue with the snack size series. Basically, they're just small paintings, and this one I believe is going to be number 5. And this one's from Diamond Art Club, and this one's called Bless This Home by Lisa Francis Judd. Look at how adorable that one is, guys. And it comes in this cute little box. Look at this, just adorable. Okay, very shiny, and it's a round because it's got the circle, so it says round diamonds. And it says Scammy, unlock for 10% off. Always in the back, tells you what's inside the kit and how it works. And it's also in 3 languages, guys. So you have it in English, French, and Spanish. All right, so let's open this baby up. Let's see, what do we know about Lisa? Lisa is from Australia. And she's a self-taught artist, and she has a very distinctive style for nature, color, pattern, and texture, and her own vivid imagination. Okay. All right, so let's put the plastic away. Okay, this is the small sticker. It usually comes with 2 stickers, a big one and a smaller one. Is it more light here? I don't know. Okay, is that better, guys? It seems like it's dark. Okay, the small sticker, you could either put it on your logbook or you could put it on underneath the box, just in case if you have the boxes piled, and it'll be easier to find what's in that box. Okay, this is an older kit, so it's got the older, it's an older painting, so it's got an older kit. Had a long day today. I spent the whole day with my beautiful daughter, and I just love it, guys. It's just wonderful to be with my daughter. Oh, I forgot to tell you. Yeah, these are resealable bags, and they're very helpful just in case if you're traveling or if you don't have the containers around, so you can put the drills in here. Okay, and all the kits come with everything that you need to begin. So these are great for beginners, guys. So here's a diamond pen. Here's a comfort grip. That's what they call them. Supposed to go in here, which I always struggle with, but it's supposed to help with your fingers, and also if you have arthritis. It comes with two waxes, heart shape, and the waxes, guys, you have to peel it. So it's got a plastic, see? The first time I ever used it, I didn't know, and I kept poking it. I was like, what's going on? And then, yeah, duh, because it had plastic. Yeah, okay. And then, of course, it's got a placer. It looks like it has a number 4 on it. So I'm sure that it's probably a 4. And the tray. Everything's in there. Okay, so let's see. All the canvases are super soft, guys. Say inside we have the instructions. Okay, step-by-step instructions. Thank you for your purchase. Tips and tricks for your project. Okay, so let's put that aside. Here goes the big sticker. Bless This Home by Lisa Francis Judd. I love her name. Then you put down the start date, the end date, and then of course, that's the picture. Bless This Home. And here it tells you, actually these are the pre-cut stickers, and these go in your containers, which is cool, guys, because you don't have to cut them out. They're already pre-cut for you. All right. And these are the drills. So we'll come back to these. And I love that it always has the sticker. So it tells you, just in case you separate them, the drills from the painting, you'll know that this belongs to that painting. All right, so let's turn this baby around. The canvas, you can do this, guys, because it's super soft, and it's designed to prevent wrinkling and fraying. So sometimes it looks a little wrinkled, but because it's been in the box for a while or traveling, and so you basically just leave it out and it'll flatten. Okay, so always at the top, it says Do What Makes You Sparkle by Diamond Art Club. In the bottom, it always has a picture. And then it tells you Diamond Art Club, Bless This Home, 9.4 inches by 9.4 inches, which is 24 centimeters by 24 centimeters. It's by Lisa Francis Judd, Diamond Art Club. And then in the middle, it tells you basically take 10 for 10% off your next order. And it also, you can find them on Facebook and Instagram. And over here, you have the lifetime warranty, which basically you have a 30-day money back guarantee. You have free diamond spill insurance, and you have a 10% cashback rewards with every order. And all these paintings always come with 2 legends, which come in handy. Okay, guys? So this basically tells you how many colors this painting has. Okay, so this has 20 colors. All right, and then in the middle it's the symbol, and the symbol is what's on the painting, and that's where you're going to place the drills. So wherever you see an X, that's where you're going to place the number 1 or the code 138, the drill. Okay, that's where they belong. And just by looking at this tells you that you have 1 AB, which is in Aurora Borealis. Basically just means that it has an extra coating to make it extra shiny, which very pretty. I love the ABs. So let's look at this beautiful painting, guys. This painting is actually perfect for beginners. It's perfect for gifting, and of course to have in your, you can frame it and you can put it up in your guest room, because it says bless this home. And basically it's like a reef, and then you have a little nest, and it's a home of 2 birdies who obviously love each other very much. Lots of love in this painting. And they're sharing with you a very private moment as they are becoming newly expecting parents. So here you have the babies. I can see the picture better here. See the babies right there? And then you have lots of browns, and you have lots of turquoise colors, and just very pretty, guys. Very, very pretty. I love this. Great size too. Okay, so let's look at the colors very quickly. Okay, so let us begin. All right, the first one is 154, and this is Grape Very Dark. Let's move the light a little closer so you can see the colors better. Okay. 310, Black. 355, Terracotta Dark. Very pretty color. 754 is Peach Light. That's probably for the nest. 814 is Garnet Dark. 938 is Coffee Brown Ultra Dark. 939 is Navy Blue, very dark. 948 is Peach, very light. All right. 3064 is Desert Sand. 3371 is Black Brown. 3776 is Mahogany Light. And 3777 is Terracotta Very Dark. This is very pretty. This one's 3830, and this is Terracotta. 3841, Baby Blue Pale. 3843, Electric Blue. 3846 is Bright Turquoise Light. That's probably for the birdies. 3853, Autumn Gold Dark. 3854 is Autumn Gold Medium. And the last one is 3864, and this one is Mocha Beige Light. And of course, like we mentioned earlier, there's 1 AB, and this one's 138, and it's a very pretty blue turquoise, and it's probably for the birdies or for the words. Well, we'll see. Let's move this here out of the way, and let's go back to the painting. Now let's move this back so you won't have a glare. Okay. So let's see. So when you look at the legend, 138 is symbol X. So wherever you see symbol X on the painting, okay? So I see it here on the leaves. You have some more over here on the leaves. It's not on the letters. There's some on the birdie. Okay, some over here on the leaves. So it looks like it's on the leaves, on the baby birdie right here, the baby birdies. And more on the mama and the papa birdies. And that's about it. If you wanted to add more ABs or crystals or sparklers, you could. And the question is, where would you add them, or would you leave it alone? You know? So I hope you've enjoyed this painting. It's absolutely gorgeous. Did I bring it up? I think I forgot. But as you can see, it's very, very clear. And it says, bless this home. And there you go, the two little birdies and the little birdie in the nest. And as you can see, it's a wreath. Okay. Lots and lots of love in this painting, guys. It's a family of birdies. All right. So I hope you've enjoyed it. And I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of the day or the night. And I hope you have a wonderful weekend. And also I wanted to say thank you very much for your support and all your love. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.